Could vapor lock have doomed the Air India 171 flight? Temperatures at the time were around 102 to 104 degrees on the tarmac in India, which at the same time as we saw footage of a failure of the internal cabin air condition, we have to consider it's possible for heat-soaked components, hydraulic pumps, and fuel lines to potentially have failed because of the excessive heat in India and the 2 to 3 hours this aircraft spent on the ground. On top of that, when the aircraft went to take off, if the aircraft experienced a dual hydraulic failure or fuel pump failure, the ability to maintain positive fuel pressure on those engines could have been compromised, at the same time as air bubbles could have clogged the fuel lines, hence vapor lock, as the aircraft was pitching up. Much like a water bottle, the more you pitch it up, the more you get that movement of that air, and that is exactly what could have caused a potential dual engine failure in that Air India 171 flight. Now, that's speculation at this point, because what we know is we have reports of a mayday and a report of power loss. We saw the Ram Air turbine deployed, which also suggests a failure of the engines or some form of additional electrical failure. But when we combine the factors of the gear not being raised, which requires the hydraulic systems, often essentially driven by the engines, we come to a potential conclusion. The Air India flight may have had heat-soaked systems, and upon takeoff, vapor lock may have moved from failed fuel pumps into the engines, leading to a dual engine failure at a catastrophic moment just seconds after takeoff. Terrible. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, make sure to follow for more.